pusher plane with it's a cross steel and a pusher. Like I said, it has a magnetic lock here, and the components are inside. And the wing is held by a rubber band. And here's the one I'm still working on. It's a low wing. It's a conversion of the original Tigerfury, and like I said, a low wing. And the wings are not held with the rubber bands. They are screwed on, and the wheels have wheel pants on them. If you look under them. So those are the screws holding the wings there. So no rubber band on this, and the inside is super neat, you know, with the battery velcro here, the ESC velcro in there, and the receiver held on with velcro onto the bottom of the wing. And this servo here controls the rudder, the twin rudder of course, and the servo here controls the elevator, and two servo under the wings control the flap runs. And this is my reborn Tigerfury moving. So if you remember, my old Tigerfury had a high wing, so this one's a low wing, and it's modeling for Flying Tiger RC. And Flying Tiger RC is sponsoring the build of this airplane, and as you can see, I have my Flying Tiger RC tray. This tray is awesome, superb, very easy. Like, see, I don't have to hold my remote when touching the plane or fixing things, and I just have to balance. So this flight will be the maiden flight, the first flight of the airplane, and I hope it goes well. I'm sure it's going to go well. So this is like my first low wing build. The name is not yet finished, but we want to maiden it now, and let's see how it flies. Very slow. It's actually really better than I expected. So the thing is really good, and this is the first flight, and it's so stable. I'm really happy with the plane. We're going to fly the other plane now. So we're making 2 planes today. I'm really happy with this Tigerfury. It handling is smooth, and this tray is just awesome. So this is the MD-7, also modern for Flying Tiger RC, because Flying Tiger RC is funding up this build also. So this will be the main flight.